Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions and occasionally make you laugh so hard you snort your coffee. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On my left, we have the LMRC-12, and on my right, the ATTOP drone. Both are ready to take flight. But which one is going to soar above the rest? Let's find out. First up, let's talk cameras. The LMRC-12 boasts a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle. That's right, folks. You can finally capture those high-quality aerial selfies you've always wanted. Perfect for when you want to show everyone on Instagram that you're living your best drone life. Reviewers say the video quality is quite good for the price, making it a solid choice for budget-conscious buyers. Meanwhile, the ATTOP drone comes in hot with a 2K camera and a 120 degrees wide-angle view. It's like having an eagle's vision. If eagles were tech-savvy and had a penchant for photography. With the ATTOP, you can see your entire neighborhood, your neighbor's backyard, and maybe even that embarrassing garden gnome collection they've been hiding. Users appreciate the higher camera quality, but note that it's a bit tricky to control at first. Ease of use is crucial, especially for those of us who are better at crashing drones than flying them. The LMRC-12 is designed for all ages and skill levels. It's got headless mode, one-key start landing, and hand gesture photo/video. Basically, it's like the drone equivalent of my first bicycle, training wheels included. Reviewers praise its stability, ease of use, and multiple speed options, making it beginner-friendly. On the other hand, the ATTOP drone is like that cool, older cousin who teaches you how to skateboard. It's got one key return, so it knows how to find its way home, just like a homing pigeon. Plus, it's got a 360 degrees flip feature, because who doesn't want to feel like they're in an action movie while flying a drone? Users say it takes some practice but becomes easier to handle over time. All right, time to talk about flight time. The LMRC-12 promises up to 26 minutes with its two modular batteries. That's enough time to fly around the park, chase some squirrels, and still have enough juice to make it back home. Reviewers highlight the decent battery life and recommend it for longer flight sessions. The ATTOP drone, however, offers a respectable 20 minutes. Sure, it's a bit shorter, but it's like the difference between a power nap and a full night's sleep. Sometimes, a quick 20-minute flight is all you need to feel like a drone-flying superhero. Users appreciate the flight time, but suggest getting extra batteries for extended fun. Extra features can make or break a drone. The LMRC-12 has a brushless motor for strong wind resistance, making it the Chuck Norris of drones, tough, reliable, and ready for action. Reviewers appreciate its durable build and wind resistance. The ATTOP drone, on the other hand, comes with a carrying case. It's like the drone's personal suitcase. Perfect for those who want to take their drone on a vacation. Plus, it's got a built-in G sensor for VR compatibility. Virtual reality flying? Sign me up. Users love the extra techie features, but note that it's a bit light and struggles in windy conditions. Overall, the LMRC-12 drone is praised for its ease of use, stability, and good value for the price, but some users find the app and controls a bit challenging. The ATTOP drone is appreciated for its higher camera quality and extra features, but its battery life and performance in windy conditions are points of concern. So which drone should you buy? The LMRC-12 is great for those who want a longer flight time and a more straightforward flying experience. But if you're looking for higher camera quality and some extra techie features, the ATTOP drone might just be your new best friend. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which drone you'd choose. Until next time, happy flying and try not to crash into any trees. Product links are in the description.